So, ito yung realidad ni Mr. guys. Kahit kami lang dito, marami yan siyang lulutuin or marami bibilhin. At doon kayo masyak. Kapag may bisita guys, doble. Parang isang bar yung fistahan talaga. Ito na naman tayo guys sa ating steak. Luto na lang tayo ng steak. Eh, paborito ni Inday. Paborito ni Inday o ni Dudong Tami. So, kaya yun. Daming burger ni Tami. Daming burger eh. Daming ka burger sa Dudong. You have a lot of like cook it and freeze it. Like it's crazy. You don't even eat it. Just bye. Just over whatever. Sana ani eh. Bakon. Kadamo ba ani dong Tami? Sigwas, madami. This is what you want. Kalukuhan man itong kay Tami, good. So, yan. So, atin na itong i-flip yung burger ni Mr. na ang dami-dami. Lock off. I-flip na natin itong pagka-flip pa para ma-luto. Yan. Yan. Kalukuhan itong burger. Aroy, nasira. Parang magpakain si Mr. ng ano no, maraming tao. Ganito po yun siya guys. Mga color key. Wala na tayong magawa niyan guys kasi ganyan na talaga ang ating Dudong no. So, binilhan tayo ni Tami ng baby lobster guys no. Para sa akin lang talaga. Maliit siya, no? Mga maliliit na lobster. Kasi mina lang, makatilaw tag lobster po usahay panagsa. No, hindi palagi. Kasi mahal man ito ay kapag bilhin. Ay, lalo na kapag malaki. So, meron siyang nakita na affordable na ano, at saka mga baby. So, okay na to. Fights na to sa akin, guys. Ganitong lobster na ito. Guys, come on. I'll let you try. Look, it's nice, honey. Are you sure, love?
Yes.
Na, oy, Tami, oy. I like the cheese. Cheese balls. Tikman natin. Guys, oh, very tiny, guys. It's very cute, guys. Look. Tikman natin. Han, it's good, love.
Yeah, it's just too small.
Masarap, guys.
It was right here.
Ang sarap ng ano? Argula.
It's on the outside.
Hi, my food is here. My husband ordered food because his wife is lazy to the bone.
Oh, my wife's happy. The food is here. She come right out to get it. She don't want to wait for me to bring it in.
Thank you.
Like almost 50 minutes.
Oh, it's my favorite. The Zeppeli.
Wow.
Be careful, chicken farm, guys.
coming with you guys.
What?
Sarap.
To Kinder. I'm not coming with you guys. No. Attack her.
She licks my ears, I can lick hers. Can't.
Food galore. Spicy, yan?
Yeah, medium. That's why I said you couldn't handle hot.
Okay. It's not really hot.
I didn't get mild. Got medium, which like a little bit hot.
Dan's a good to see you guys.
Sarap. This is good for party.
That's how it came to be. Football parties, something like that.
Have you heard anything about
Handsome is good.
No. Something must have
It's
happened.
good, Han. You like it?
We would have found it by now, you know?
Sarap, guys.
175.
This is really good, guys. Look. It's very crunchy. Ang sarap niya. Sapuli, zipuli. Gumawa ako nito noon. It's really good. 11 in the evening or almost 12 o'clock na ito. Hindi ko alam, nakalimutan ko. But anyway, so parating na si Mister. At malayo-layo pa siya. Hindi ko alam. Naghintay ako dito. Akala ko may ibang tao kasi may lumiko ba. Natakot tuloy ako, guys. Tingnan nyo. Naghintay ako kay Tami. Naghintay ako kay Tami. Ang tagal kasing umuwi, guys. Malapit nang mag alas 11 ng gabi. So, hintayin ko lang siya dito. Yep. At parang gabi kasi natutulog yung mga hayop. Walang mga hayop, guys. Tulog. Tulog ang mga hayop. I think siya na ito. Yeah. Ay, andito na si Mister. Andito na yung asawa ko. Ay, bakit nagbaking? Wala, bakit lumiko? Wala, anong ginawa? Sino yan? Kinuha yung mail. Si Tami yan. Kaloka, akala ko kung sino na. Akala ko kung sino na yung lumiko. Dito na siya, guys. Pasok na tayo bago tayo kainin dito ng mga hinayupak. Lakuhan siya. Let's go. Dada's home. Dada's home. Roxy, you're here already? Wow, you get her first. Tulungan natin si Dada. Hi, Dada. Go, go, go. You go. I'll get the thing. Go. I cleaned that area.
And that bag and the bag of oranges.
Or the oranges?
Yeah.
Dada's here. Hi, Dada.
Oh.
Dada's home. Dada home. He's been crying, honey.
Of course he is.
He's been attacking his sister just to get my attention. Dada buy orange. More orange. Aguroy. Look, I harvested one thing.
That's all right.
Kapag dumating yan si Mister, the first thing talaga na gawin is kape. Yun yung pinakaunang gawin. Kasi mahilig yan sa kape. And then, kapag sa labas yan siya, hindi niya approve yung mga kape. Hindi ko alam. Kape, gatas, or orange, yun siya. Pero this time, kape. Unahan na natin.
What did you do?
I cut my finger.
On what?
I don't know.
Bob's mama said you hurt her. Is that true, Bob?
Mura siyang papel na cut, pero it's not paper cut. I don't know what happened. Suddenly, it's just... one first.
Yep.
Tight it.
Well, you don't want it too tight and cut the blood circulation. So